Are you a mechanical designer, but unfamiliar with the principles and lacking the toolbox to get your system to nanometric precision? In just 1 week, 8 of the top experts in the high-tech domain will guide you step by step on how to master this craft during the Design Principles for Precision Engineering training. And we will do so in a very practical manner. By the end of the training, you'll be able to maximize the performance of your design. We'll start by educating you on the latest knowledge in design principles for nanometric, precise high-performance systems. By the end of day 1, you'll already be working on your first assignment. Together with other participants, you will work on a challenging project, during which you will get guidance to sharpen your skills. Knowledge and experience with mechanical engineering is all you need to participate in this training. At the end of the week, we will discuss the designs from the entire group, an effort that is not only fun, but will be inspiring and instructive. Deeply rooted in the high-tech industry around Eindhoven, in an area that is world-renowned for its high precision and high-performance equipment, this training has helped hundreds of engineers develop their precision engineering skills. Are you interested in gathering design principles for precision engineering to make the best performing systems? Or maybe you've already mastered this craft and you're interested in bringing yourself to the next level. If so, check out our website hightechinstitute.nl for more details and course offerings. If you have any questions about matching courses with your background and professional needs, don't hesitate to send us an email at training@hightechinstitute.nl. We are happy to help you.